The removal of a forum thread related to do-it-yourself assistance underscores the importance of adhering to community guidelines. Such guidelines are crucial for maintaining a forum's integrity and ensuring that information shared is appropriate and does not violate established rules. In this instance, the thread was found to be in violation, prompting its removal. Thread removals are sometimes necessary when content deviates from the intended purpose of the forum or conflicts with its established policies. Forum rules are designed to protect users, prevent the spread of misinformation, and ensure a positive and productive environment for all participants. Violations can range from providing unsafe advice to promoting activities that are against the law or the forum's terms of service. When a thread is removed, it's often a result of careful consideration by the forum's moderators or administrators, who weigh the potential harm or disruption the thread may cause against the benefits of allowing it to remain. This decision-making process ensures that the forum remains a valuable resource for its users. Participants in the removed thread have been notified to keep them informed of the action taken and the reason behind it. Transparency is key in maintaining trust within the community and ensuring that users understand the rules and expectations for participation. Moderators play a crucial role in enforcing forum rules and addressing violations. They are responsible for monitoring content, responding to reports from users, and taking action when necessary to maintain order and prevent disruptions. Their work is essential for creating a safer and welcoming environment for all members of the community. Forum rules typically cover a wide range of topics, including acceptable language, behavior, and content. They may also address issues such as spamming, harassment, and the sharing of confidential information. Users are expected to familiarize themselves with these rules and abide by them when participating in the forum. Failure to do so can result in warnings, suspensions, or even permanent bans. The enforcement of forum rules is not always easy, as it requires moderators to make judgment calls and balance the interests of different users. However, by consistently applying the rules and communicating clearly with members, moderators can help to create a positive and productive environment for all. In addition to removing threads, moderators may also take other actions to address violations of forum rules. These actions can include editing posts, issuing warnings, and suspending users' accounts. The specific action taken will depend on the severity of the violation and the user's history of compliance with the rules. When a thread is removed, it's important to communicate the reason for the removal to the participants. This helps to ensure that they understand why the action was taken and avoid similar violations in the future. It also demonstrates that the forum is committed to enforcing its rules fairly and consistently. Forum rules are often developed and updated based on feedback from the community. This ensures that the rules reflect the needs and concerns of users and are effective in promoting a positive and productive environment. Users are encouraged to provide feedback on the rules and suggest changes that they believe would improve the forum. Maintaining a healthy and thriving online community requires ongoing effort and collaboration from both moderators and users. By working together, they can create a space where people can share ideas, learn from each other, and engage in meaningful discussions without fear of harassment or disruption. The removal of the DIY assistance thread serves as a reminder of the importance of adhering to forum rules and the consequences of violating them. It also highlights the role of moderators in enforcing these rules and maintaining a positive environment for all users.